Hi friends, let me show you this new foldable storage Ottoman that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it comes neatly packed, really easy to travel, and we are going to put it together and try it. As you can see, it has an outer package, assembly instructions, and another package so it is protected. Okay, this one is gray, it's really beautiful, it's soft to the touch. Okay, it's enough size for your footrest, or if you have to sit to put your shoes or whatever. Okay, has a really nice wood base if you want to put things. And let me show you how easy it is to put it together. Okay, that's it. We are going to put the foot of the Ottoman together. You have these metal corners to protect it. You put it like this, so it will have extra protection in the corners. Okay. And that's it. You can see how large space you have here. You can put a blanket, some clothes, your socks, whatever. And you can use the Ottoman to rest your feet if you are in your living room looking at the TV, or you could even use it to sit on it and put on your shoes or your socks. Okay? Also, you can do it like this and use it as a table. Put your glasses or your cups or whatever here. So this Ottoman is really nice. I like it very much. They come in different colors, so if you need something like this for your home, it's a great option. Thank you.